Recent steps taken by the banking regulator Reserve Bank of India are set to make high value payments via RTGS and check payments easier and safer for you. Here's how. RTGS, or Real Time Gross Settlement System, is a type of money transfer from one bank to any other bank. The RTGS system is meant for high value transactions on a real time basis. The RTGS facility is now available 24/7 starting today, that is December 14, 2020. The minimum amount that can be transferred via RTGS is 2 lakh rupees, while there is no upper limit for the transactions. Till now, the facility was available for use on all working days of the week except the second and fourth Saturdays between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. RBI Governor Shakti Kanta Das in a statement had said India will be among the very few countries globally with a 24/7/365 large value real-time payment system. This will facilitate innovations in the large value payments ecosystem and promote ease of doing business. The RTGS facility can be availed either online, through mobile or internet banking, or offline through the bank branch. Experts say round-the-clock facility now will also provide extended flexibility to businesses for effecting payments and will be useful in enhancing the operations of Indian financial markets and cross-border payments. A new rule for check payments is also set to come into effect come January. The Reserve Bank of India will introduce the Positive Pay system from January 1st, 2021. Positive Pay is essentially a tool designed to detect fraudulent activity. The system detects any suspicious activity by matching specific information related to the check presented for clearing, like the check number, check date, payee name, account number, amount, and other details against a list of checks previously authorized and issued by the issuer. The Reserve Bank of India in a statement had said, and I quote, "To further augment customer safety in check payments and reduce instances of fraud occurring on account of tampering of check leaves, it has been decided to introduce a mechanism of positive pay for all checks of value of 50,000 rupees and above." So in the new year, if you're issuing a check worth more than 50,000 rupees, you will need to furnish certain minimum details like name of the beneficiary or payee, amount, electronically via channels like SMS, mobile app, internet banking, ATM to the drawee bank. Details of this are then cross-checked with the presented check by CTS, that is, the check truncation system. Discrepancies, if any, are flagged by the CTS to the drawee bank and presenting bank, who would then take redressal measures. While the option to avail this facility is at the discretion of the account holder, banks may consider making it mandatory in case of checks for amounts of 5 lakh rupees and above. The system will help end check frauds including forging, altering and counterfeiting of the financial instruments, and it is likely to do away with the need for banks to call customers to confirm if they indeed issued a high-value check that comes up for payment at the customer's bank's clearance branch. The introduction of Positive Pay means that an added layer of security has been provided to the instrument to make high-value bank check transactions safer.